Alright, guys, what's going on? It says 17 minutes to the house. Can we beat it? Time is it 8:04? Let's see. I got food in my shirt. I'm hoping it makes it home. Story of my life. I took my niece for a ride on the bike. She liked it. $8:04. It's still 8:04. This is what time it looked when I made it home. How's everybody doing, man? Welcome back, though. Everybody having a good time? I hope you guys are having great days out there. We're having a great week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for coming back. If it's your first time here, please make sure you like and subscribe. We're posting videos at least a couple times a week. Always entertaining videos. It's like the best time to ride during summer. Just the sun's barely going down, there's still plenty of visibility. It cools down. It's been rainy today though, so it's not like it's extremely hot out. Beat the clock. I think we'll beat it. I don't even think it's going to be a challenge, honestly. Dude, I love it. It's like I got the street to myself right now. There's like nobody out here. Ain't that like one of the best feelings in the world? California, these bridges are hella bumpy for like earthquakes and stuff. They build them a certain way, so you go over and they're like boom, 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 boom. I hate that oil pressure light, man. Why does it keep coming on? This bike's under warranty, and then it's like I keep getting these thoughts in my mind like, do I really want to trade the bike in? Do I really want to trade it in? And then things like that happen, and it's like, dude, this bike just gives you problems. I hate it. You know, I love the bike. I don't want these issues. See, and then it goes away when you restart it. It's weird. I don't know if it's a sensor or what's going on with it. Well, we got a 5.0. Dude, it's so much fun. Hard because I can't see cops right now, so I don't know what the cars are. dude, I more than beat the time home, so I'm not worried about that. And I just want to do wheelies. Dude, those second gear wheelies, man, you start going fast. I need to get on home before I get myself in trouble. Dude, I'm just having too much fun. I hope you guys are having fun, because I'm having a lot of fun riding my bike. See, and then it's like, then this happens, and it's like, oh man, I don't want to trade it in, you know? It starts running how it's supposed to run, and I don't know, dude, it's just, it's really hard to decide if I really want to keep it or trade it in. I love it. Oh, it's starting to rain again, man. Talk about making it home just in time. Jeez. Oh, it's starting to rain actually pretty hard right now, bro. It's crazy. I literally, yeah, I made it home right in time. Wow. It's crazy. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa! There's a lot of rain there, bud. It's like spit in my eye. I don't know if you guys can see the raindrops, but raindrops keep falling on my head. It's definitely coming down. Oh wow, right in my eye, my eye. I really want to find some time to do another cannon view. But hey man, I appreciate everybody for hanging out. Dude, like I said, it's always a great time. Just make sure you like, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.